They had a blue one because it's the vintage style. They look washed out anyway. So you can either pay £30-odd for a brand new one or £7 for a second-hand one.
Not a creature was stirring, not even a
He
mouse.
lives in the baggies, the combat tartan ones.
The stockings were hung by the
Lives
chimney
in.
with
We've only got
care,
one pair, so they're
in hopes
constantly
that
announcing
St
the price
Nicholas
on bidding
would
for a couple of
soon
those
be
at the moment
there.
on eBay.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
I like those ones as well, but I'm very rarely buy it full price.
And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprung from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I fell like a flash,
Are you teething?
tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. This is a very old-fashioned book, isn't it?
It's just
The moon on the breast of the new-fallen snow gave the lustre of midday of objects below. When what to my wondering eyes should appear, not a minute